Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain enthalpy of reactions. Now, what does it mean by enthalpy of reactions? The heat enthalpy nothing but heat. The heat change taking place in a reactions is called as heat of reactions or enthalpy of reactions. Enthalpy of reactions. Generally, the physical state of reactions, reactants and product. We will see some now in this one. Physical state of reactants and product and products, reactant, product and physical state. Now we know the change is involved by changing the substance from one state to another states. Then we know we can write as the state of physical state or gaseous state or liquid state. In that one, now I'm going to write one example, that is, now H2 is a gas plus of O2 gas to form H2O is a liquid. Now see here, it is the physical state of the reactant is gas, but physical state of product is liquid. In this case, the standard value of heat of enthalpy of reaction is minus 285 kilojoule per mole. Now if we see one more example, that is same reaction but physical state different. H2 gas plus of O2 gas to form H2O also gas. Now in the physical state, all the reactant and product all are gaseous state. Then here the heat of the reaction or enthalpy of reaction is become, the change in enthalpy of reaction become minus 241.8 kilojoule per mole. Now the difference between two values are in the series due to difference in the physical state of water. Now so one more example, that is water. The same, that is a water molecule. It is a liquid state. It changes to gaseous state. In this case, the enthalpy of reaction is delta H is equal to 44.1 kilojoule per mole. This is the physical state. In the physical state, it is a complete about the water. See second example, that is the C, that is a carbon. That is we can write a molar enthalpy of water also, molar enthalpy of water. The second one, that is carbon. It is in the form of graphite plus O2, it is a gas, to form CO2, it is gas. Here enthalpy of reaction, that is minus 393.5 kilojoule per mole. Similarly, carbon in the form of diamond plus O2 gas in the form of, to form CO2, it is also gas, but enthalpy of reaction has become minus 380.4 kilojoule per mole. In this one, two different the difference between these two values rise due to different allotropes of carbon. Different allotropes of carbon. Different allotropes of carbon. C diamond to C graphite. In this change, the enthalpy of reaction, that is 13.1 kilojoule per mole. This is the enthalpy of reactions for a chemical. These reactions are important for when we are doing the calculation of some reactions. Now one more. Now we discuss, that is the second one, that is it is also important. Heat of formation. Or you can write as enthalpy of formation. Enthalpy of formation. What does I mean by enthalpy of formation? The enthalpy change occurs when 1 mole of substance is formed under standard conditions from its elementary in their standard state, known as enthalpy of formation of substance, and it is represented by delta H naught F, standard condition 1 atmosphere pressure, 25 degrees temperature. This is we have to find. Now see the one example. Now H2 gas, O2 also gas, to form H2O is liquid. Here enthalpy of, that is the formation of enthalpy is equal to delta H F naught is equal minus 286 kilojoule per mole. It's just standard values. Enthalpy of each element in any state is 0. Any state is always 0. Now see one more example. Now H2 is a gas plus Cl2 also gas to form HCl is a gas. Now heat of formation, that is delta H naught is equal to minus 92.3 kilojoules, but enthalpy of formation of HCl is become 92.3 by, it is a 2 moles, by 2 is equal to become, that is a kilojoule per mole. This will be make the thermochemical calculation quite easier if we are giving the value of delta enthalpy of heat of enthalpy of like CO2, H2O, CH4. This we can write mainly. They will give. Now in this case, these are the very important, but generally we can write enthalpy of, we know already, enthalpy of formation of is equal to enthalpy of product minus enthalpy of reactants. This is a very important. Learn properly, say properly, usually will get